Hi, this is Christmastime is here in the key of A, so we're going to play A and D, but they're major seventh chords. So A, it's like this, but the major seven is, the A is down one step, so it's like a little triangle. And D major seven, it's all three strings in a row. Then we're going to go to other chords in the key of A. The next one is the sixth chord is F sharp minor seventh. I'm playing it down here on the second fret, and then there's just this one, and I'm only using the lowest four strings closest to you. People call them top, but top is, you know. All right, these four, and then C sharp minor seventh. It's a bar chord. I'm playing it as a bar chord. Then I take that thing and slide it down to B, and then back to A. Let's hear it. Christmas time is here, happiness and cheer, fun for all that children call their favorite time of year. Now, this time I'll just play the F sharp minor seventh a different way, but everything else will be the same. And that will be olden times. It's new words. So after carols everywhere, I'll play the F sharp minor seventh like this. Here's the fifth fret. It's around the fifth fret. It's 4, 6, 5, 5 like this. 4, 6, 5, 5. Same chord, just a different position. But then it's easier to jump to the C sharp minor that's right there. It doesn't sound any better or worse, so whatever way you like it. Snowflakes, snowflakes in the air, carols everywhere, olden times and ancient rhymes of love and dreams to share. All right, now we're going to the bridge or chorus. It's F major 7. If somebody could tell me what that chord is in this key, I would love to hear it. But anyway, F major 7th, which is I'm playing it on the highest 4 strings. 3, 2, 1, open. Snowflakes sleigh bells in the air, beauty everywhere, Yuletide by the fireside, and joyful memories there. So all the chords are sleigh bells in, that's F major 7, the air, A major 7, the home. Again, beauty everywhere, same 2 chords. Now D major 7, Yuletide by A major 7, the fireside, and B minor 7, and joyful memories. Now this is A major 7, but with the open E on the bottom. There. Then it goes back, that's it. Then you repeat those chords the whole time.